Hello everybody, welcome back to SEBA Math Lab, and as always, we're back as a new video. Today we'll learn about area and perimeter of a trapezoid. We're going to learn about what is a trapezoid. We're also going to learn about how to do the area, how to do the perimeter, uncovering the mysteries, and I'm going to give you guys two examples with the area and perimeter, then we could do questions. I'll summarize it at the end. What is a trapezoid in the first place? A trapezoid is a four-sided flat shape with one pair of parallel sides. So look, this is what it is, right? A trapezoid has one pair of parallel sides, so these are parallel, and he also has diagonals. All right, guys, this is a trapezoid right here. Four-sided, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well then, how do we do the area of a trapezoid itself? In order to do the area of a trapezoid, you need to follow these three simple steps. So we first have to find the top base and the bottom base, A and B. Then we add them together. So this is just the top base and this is the bottom base, right? I called this A, but it's good. So then we divide the sum of the bottom base and the top base addition by 2. When we divide it by 2, then whatever we got, we multiply by whatever you got for the height. And this what it just means. Area equals bottom base plus top base divided by 2 multiplied by the height. So let me give you guys an example. H is 5. Let's say that, right? That's the height. Then the base is 4. Let's say that. The other base is going to be 6. All right, guys? Then we just do bottom base plus top base. What's 6 plus 4? 6 plus 4 equals to 10. All right, guys? And then we do 10 divided by 2, which equals to 5. Then, as I said, you multiply it by the height. So 5 times 5 equals 25 centimeters squared. All right, guys? So then now that we know this is the actual answer, 25 centimeters squared, then we could do more. Well then, how do we do the perimeter of the trapezoid then? So, perimeter of the trapezoid is quite simple. All you need to do is add all sides. So, the two diagonal sides don't need to be even, but it could be even for this. So, it could be 4, and let's say this is 4 as well. Then let's say the top base is 5 and this is 7, all right? So now we have to add all of them together. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 7, wow, that's a thinker. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Then 12 plus 8 equals 20. Then 20 centimeters is our final answer, okay, guys? Question time. Complete the area and perimeter of this trapezoid. The height is 7, the top base is 4, and the bottom base is 8. And both diagonal lines are 6. Complete this question. Pause the video. Let's see. Great job, guys. I know you guys got it super right. So let's start. What's the top base? 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 equals to 12. Then 7 over here, we're going to use that soon. We first have to do 12 divided by 2. Because top base plus top base, then divide by 2, which equals to 6. Then we do 6 times 7, which equals 42 centimeters squared. All right, guys. And then now let's do the perimeter of the question. It's 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4. So what's 8 plus 4? We know that's 12. And we know 6 plus 6 is 12. So then that puts our final answer as 24. And 24 centimeters is the perimeter. Okay, guys, I know you guys got that question right. Summary. Today we learned more about area and perimeter of a trapezoid. I hope you guys like this video because we learned what is a trapezoid, how to do the area. I give you guys an example. Perimeter, I give you guys an example, and we also did a question. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more math mysteries. And as always, SEBA Math Lab, and we are.